2020 GP1800R SVHO. Ribbon delete, yes. Ribbon delete is a good one if you're going to modify it. I would do the Stage 1 tune, because Stage 1 tune basically doesn't need any mods. Cold air kit, ribbon delete. I mean, you can live without an impeller swap, but a ribbon delete, a cold air kit, there's something else I'm missing. I mean, I always go for sponsons. I always recommend sponsons. 20, well, I'd put the new Riva race plate on there, but that's not a must-have. An ECU flash for sure. Wake that ski up. Oh, God, that SVHO. You could do a stock 8000 tune, and that just kind of takes the speed control off. But if you're looking at modifying the ski already, just go Stage 1. Stage 1's great. Call up Green Hulk. Use the Green Hulk coupon code, which is literally the word Green Hulk. One word, Green Hulk. Gets you 10% off. They'll hook you up with a map tuner and one free tune. And, dude, you'll be in like Flynn. You'll love it. Okay.
Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to Playlists, and then click on Live Sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.